want to talk about the business plan for a couple minutes here. Business plan, write it down, the 5 Ps, the 5 Ps. The people, who is involved. So when you actually want to raise money, if I tell you, okay guys, now we're doing the training for the 3-day training that the 3 sessions I'll do, and you want to raise money, I'll ask you, what are the people involved? You may tell me it's you and some broker, or it's you and some and a partner of some sort, and the type of investors you want to get, accredited investors, they're millionaires, so it's going to be Reg D 506C. Okay, what property you're going to do, what projects you're going to do. Hey, I'm going to get, you know, land, and I'm going to build these properties because I have a contractor who can do this, I have an architect who can do that. I'm going to bring the team together. Good. So now that's your business plan. It's you and a partner, accredited investors, development of land. The positioning is you're developing in an area that has high demand. The area is already subdivided. There is already utilities. So that's your unique selling proposition. That's your positioning, your market, if you will. Something unique about what you're doing. Performance, what's the story with the money? When people give you money, what you're gonna do? I'm gonna pay for the entitlement, or I'm gonna actually pay for the staff. We're gonna break ground. We're gonna do this. We're gonna pre-sell them. Boom. That's the performance. That's the story. And then the profits. I'm gonna raise, let's say, $2 million, and we're gonna distribute, and we're gonna just pay them, let's say, 8% cash flow, and the upside is yours. And we can sell development 2 million, you're gonna be done with 2.8 million net, and that's 800,000 profit, and that's your distribution. You're gonna pay them X, and you're gonna keep so much. That's the 5 Ps, the people, the property, the positioning, the performance.